Today we have very interesting question about quantum teleportation. For decades, teleportation has fed our imagination thanks to science fiction like Star Trek, but real physics has its own version and it is very different. In the quantum world, you don't beam atoms or people across space. You teleport information about them. In fact, as physicists at the Max Planck Institute explain, quantum teleportation does not transfer matter. The atoms remain in their place, only their stored information is transferred. Similarly, the US NSF notes that teleportation today means moving data, not objects. Teleportation involves the transportation of information rather than the transportation of matter. Importantly, quantum teleportation still requires sending ordinary classical messages, so nothing travels faster than light. It is a mind bender, no rockets are homeless, just spooky quantum links and ordinary signals. Basic of quantum mechanics. Before we see how teleportation works, let us cover a few key quantum ideas with simple analogies. Superposition. A quantum particle can be in multiple states at once until you look at it. Think of a coin spinning in midair until it lands. It is in a sense both heads and tails simultaneously. Or imagine a pendulum swinging between two extremes at any instant. It is not purely left or right, it is in between. In quantum mechanics, an electron or photon can similarly be in a both and states such as both 0 and 1 at once until measurement and uncertainty. When you do look at a quantum system, you disturb it. For example, seeing a skyscraper with light is fine, but trying to see an electron is like using a high-powered strobe that just lets it around. The Heisenberg uncertainty principle tells us there is a fundamental limit. You can't precisely know certain pairs of properties like position and momentum. Because uncertainty principle explains us about position and momentum at the same time. In plain words, the more precisely you pin down one property, the more you disturb the other. Entanglement. We are explaining about entanglement. This is the spooky part. Two or more quantum particles can become linked so strongly that measuring one instantly tells you about the other, even if they are far apart. It is like having a pair of magic coins or shoes. Whenever you flip both coins, they always land the same way, both heads or both tails, no matter how far apart they are. Or imagine two shoes. If one is left, the other instantly must be right, whether they are side by side or miles apart. Einstein called this spooky action at a distance. This entanglement is the crucial quantum channel for teleportation. Quantum entanglement can be visualized like a mysterious connection between two distant objects. If two particles are entangled, then the outcome of one immediately tells you the outcome of the other, regardless of distance. You can think of it as a pair of matching coins. Whenever you flip them, they always land on the same face, even across continents. Or like the shoe analogy, finding a left shoe instantly reveals a right shoe at the other end of the universe. In practice, scientists use this spooky link along with normal communication to transfer quantum states. What is quantum teleportation? Quantum teleportation is the process of transferring the exact quantum state of a particle to another particle far away. Using entanglement and classical communication, crucially, the original particle stays behind, and in the teleportation process, its state is changed or destroyed. Only the information is rebuilt at the destination. In other words, it is a way of moving quantum information, not physical objects. Here is a simplified diagram of the process. The steps are roughly: integral, prepare an integraled pair of particles, one held by sender Alice and one by receiver. Here we are giving as an example Alice and Bob. Meyer, Alice takes her particle that she wants to teleport and performs a special joint measurement on it together with her half of the integraled pair. This measurement mixes the states and gives Alice two classical bits of outcome. Send classical data. Alice sends those two bits of information to Bob over an ordinary channel, phone, internet, light signal. Rebuild. Using Alice messages, Bob applies a specific operation to his integraled particle. This operation causes Bob's particle to assume exactly the state of Alice's original particle. In this example, we here explain about quantum entanglement, just change of position. In this way, Bob's particle becomes original, its quantum state has been teleported. For example, in the landmark 1997 experiment, physicists teleported the polarization state of one photon to another photon about a meter away. After Alice's measurement, her original photon was no longer in the initial state, it is changed by the measurement. So, no two copies exist, only Bob's photon ends up in the state. Importantly, Alice never learns the state she sent. The quantum information moves without anyone measuring or knowing it, and because Bob needs Alice's classical message to finish the process, this scheme can't transmit anything faster than light. This is nothing like science fiction teleporters that beam up matter. As noted above, atoms remain in their place during quantum teleportation. You cannot teleport a person or a cat, only a quantum state. Real experiments. Quantum teleportation has been demonstrated many times in the lab using different particles, photons, atoms, electrons, superconducting circuits, and more. Here are a few highlights. Photon teleportation 1997 onward. The first experiment, Zillinger's group in Austria teleported a photon's polarization state to another photon a short distance away. Since then, researchers have teleported photon states together, optical fibers, and between labs, gradually increasing range and efficiency. Atomic teleportation 2021. Scientists at the Max Planck Institute succeed in teleporting the quantum state of a single atom, the spin state of an electron in an atom, across a 60-meter laboratory gap using just one photon. Again, the atoms themselves didn't move, only the information about the atom state was sent. Quantum processors 2025. Very recently, Oxford physicists used teleportation to link two independent quantum computers via optical fiber. They effectively merged two smaller processors into a larger network by teleporting quantum state between them, a big step toward scalable quantum computing. Space-based teleportation 2017 to 2018. China's MESCOS satellite set a record by teleporting quantum states between space and ground. In 2017, it beamed photon states over 300 miles 500 km into space, and later up to 1400 km. These experiments show how we can distribute entanglement globally, a key ingredient for a future quantum internet. Each of these use the same basic recipe: entangled particles plus classical signals. They impressively show that teleportation works not just in theory but in diverse experiments across labs and even in orbit. Limits and misconceptions. Quantum teleportation often brings to mind beaming people or objects, but that is a misunderstanding. Here is why teleportation a person or any macroscopic object is widely impractical. It is only information, not matter. Teleportation does not send particles themselves. The original particle state is destroyed by the process. You cannot end up with both a sent copy and the original, only the receiving particle takes on the state. No perfect cloning. Quantum physics forbids copying an unknown quantum state exactly. The non-cloning theorem. Teleportation itself relies on destroying the original when measuring it, so there is never a duplicate left behind. Gigantic complexity. A human has on the order of 10 raised to power 28 atoms, each with quantum details. The teleport a person, you had need to capture and transmit an astronomical amount of data with perfect precision. This is far beyond an conceivable technology. Fragile entanglement. Entangled states are extremely delicate. Any tiny interference, heat, vibration, stray fields can break them. Decoherence. Maintaining stable entanglement for even a few particles is hard. Doing it for a whole body is essentially impossible. Light speed limit. Remember, Bob needs Li's classical message to complete teleportation. This means you can't teleport anything instantaneously across cosmic distances. No faster than light loophole. In short, teleporting yourself like in Star Trek would require building an entangled network for every atom in your body and then reading its quantum state without errors. Current science says that is a no-go. Future directions. Quantum teleportation won't move people, but it will shape future technology. Quantum internet. Teleportation could become the backbone of a global quantum network. Instead of sending bits over wires, we'll send entangled particles. Information would be incredibly secure, and eavesdropper trying to intercept would disturb the entangled states and be instantly detected. China's satellite experiments hint at a future of ultra-secure spacing quantum computing networks. As the Oxford example shows, teleportation can link separate quantum processors by entangling qubits in different modules and teleporting states between them. Many smaller quantum computers could act as one big machine. This distributed approach could overcome the limits of building one giant quantum computer. Secure inscription. Relatedly, quantum teleportation ideas underlie new cryptographic methods. Entangled photons can generate inscription keys that are fundamentally secure. If sometime tries to listen in, the act of measuring changes the quantum state and alerts the users. Banks and governments are already exploring these techniques called quantum key distribution. Advanced sensors and clocks. Teleportation experiments also push the frontier of precision measurement. Techniques for handling and transferring fragile quantum states may improve atomic clock sensors and other quantum devices by allowing their states to be shared or compared without direct transfer. Quantum teleportation is no longer just a quirky theory, it is a real working phenomena. Labs around the world keep pushing the limits of distance and complexity, and while we will never beam up Scotty, these experiments light the way to a future of ultra-secure communication and powerful quantum computers. Quantum teleportation is a fascinating bridge between science fiction and reality. It doesn't send people or atoms flying through space. Instead, it uses the weirdness of entanglement and the rules of quantum mechanics to transfer information in astonishing ways. Scientists have already teleported photons, atoms, and even linked quantum processors in networks. These achievements won't let you teleport to work tomorrow, but they are building blocks for a secure quantum internet and next generation technology. Concepts and experiments in this script are drawn from quantum physics research and science journalism as mpq.mpg.de, en.wikipedia.org, nist.nist.government, nature.com, thegradient.com, space.com, en.wikipedia.org, innovative-news-network.com. Each quote or fact above is cited from a reputable source.